Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Finding the angle between two vectors. Let's start with a little diagram where we have two vectors, u and v, both starting from the same point. We'll call the shortest angle between them theta, and we say cosine of that angle theta is equal to the dot product of u and v divided by the magnitude of u times the magnitude of v. For example, if we wanted to find the angle between two vectors, let's say our first vector u is the vector 2, 5, and our second vector is negative 1, 2. We'd first need to find the dot product between the two, which would give us 2 times negative 1 plus 5 times 2. So that would give us negative 2 plus 10 for a dot product of 8. Then we have to find the magnitude of each vector. The magnitude of u would just be the square root of 2 squared plus 5 squared, which should give us root 29. The magnitude of v would be the square root of negative 1 squared plus 2 squared, which would get us the square root of 5. Putting this all together, we find out the cosine of theta is equal to 8 over our two magnitudes multiplied together. Evaluating that in a calculator and solving for theta, we find theta is equal to the inverse cosine of 0.6644, which ends up being 48.4 degrees.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.